Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is cheese burst pizza. Take 1.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. To this add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of warm water. Close this well and let this sit for around 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes the yeast has been activated. Keep this aside. Now take 1.5 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add half a teaspoon of salt. Now add the activated yeast mixture into the flour and mix well. We need to get a sticky dough. If you want, you can add warm water to this. Now dust some flour and start kneading this. You have to knead this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Our kneading is almost over. This is now less sticky. Now take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and place our pizza dough in this. Cover this well with a cling, or you can cover this with a damp cloth. Let this sit for around 2 hours, and by the time you can prepare the pizza sauce and the cheese sauce. Now let us prepare the cheese sauce. Take around 4 slices of cheese. Put the cheese slices in a Ziploc cover. To this add about 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Give a nice mix. Now place this inside the hot water for about 15 minutes. The water has to be so hot. The cheese has melted nicely. You can take it out. Now place this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Next is our pizza dough. Our pizza dough has raised properly. Dust with maize flour. If you don't have maize flour, you can use all-purpose flour with little semolina. Now place the dough on this. Tap the air bubbles out. You should not knead after this. Now spread the dough to give a proper shape. Let us transfer this into an oven-proofed pan. Break it with a fork so that it will not rise during baking. Now we are going to bake this for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Next, take a small ball-sized pizza dough. Flat it well. We are going to cook this in a hot tawa. Just cook for 30 seconds on each side and take it out. Our flatbread is almost ready. We can take it out. By the time our pizza base is also ready, this is the cheese sauce we have prepared. We are going to spread this on the pizza base. Now place the flat bread on this and seal the sides using water. Now spread the pizza sauce. This is a homemade pizza sauce, and preparing pizza sauce will bring you as a separate video. Next is the topping, and topping is your choice. This is capsicum, onions, sauteed mushrooms, pan-fried paneer and mozzarella cheese. Bake this for about 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is ready now. Top it with olives. Spread some oregano. Chili flakes. And more mozzarella cheese. Now bake till the cheese melts. Our pizza is ready. This will be so yummy, so cheesy and so tasty. Our oven version is over. Next we'll move on and do our cooker version pizza. I have prepared separate dough for the cooker version. Take a small portion of pizza dough and spread it. Place it on a hot tawa and cook for 30 seconds on each side. Our flat bread is ready. Next, take a plate, spread some olive oil. This is the pizza dough. Spread it. Spread some prepared cheese spread. This is the flat bread we have prepared. Use a fork to prick it. Next is the pizza sauce and the toppings: mushrooms, paneer, onions, capsicums, olives and the mozzarella cheese. This is oregano and chili flakes. Now take a pressure cooker. Place the pizza inside it. Close it with a plate. Let it be in high flame for 5 minutes and then reduce it to medium flame and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. This is ready now. Loosen the corners. Now you can cut and take it out. Our yummy cooker version pizza is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.